Ms. Butler, this matter is set for a motion for summary disposition today. It looks like, we want to just do the motion, or do you want to have a breakout room conversation with Mr. Ball?
Good morning, Your Honor. Elizabeth Butler, P890956 for plaintiff. I'd like to proceed with the motion. I'm hoping before we end the hearing today, I can give Mr. Ball my phone number so we can try to work something out subsequently.
Okay, Mr. Ball, you understand that they filed a legal motion, which she's going to argue now on the reason why you're responsible for this case. Do you understand that? I'm sure you got a copy of it.
Yes, I have a copy of it right here.
Okay, go ahead, counsel, with your argument.
Your Honor, I assume the court has read my motion. I can summarize or I can go all the way through it. What would you prefer?
You can just summarize.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor. Our motion is under Michigan Court Rule 2.116C9 and C10. This is regarding a loan that was unpaid. There are two loans here. The defendant filed an answer claiming that he could not, or not all of his payments were credited. He failed to file a counter affidavit of facts, and he also failed to file a response to this motion. We included an affidavit of account stated with our motion with the balance. Again, no response on that.
Mr. Ball, have you had an opportunity to look at that account stated? The list of what you paid in the account state, have you looked at that?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear. My internet connection do go in and out on my
Okay,
side.
they sent you the documents on the account stated on how much you owe, correct?
Yes, this document that they sent me through, I guess, the person that served me, yes.
Okay, all right, go on, Ms. Butler, I apologize.
Oh, Your Honor, no problem. We included the transaction history and the affidavit. It was attached to the motion, and the transaction history was also attached to the lawsuit. Under Michigan Court Rule 2.112E1, that he didn't contest the contract means that it is deemed admitted. Moreover, he didn't file a counter affidavit to the affidavit of account we included with the complaint. So under MCL 600.2145, the balance is determined as prima facie evidence. At this time, we would move that this court grant a summary disposition judgment, and I can break down the amounts if and when you are ready.
Go ahead, I'm ready.
You ready? Okay, damages of $9,338.12. Court costs of $222. A statutory attorney fee of $20. Total judgment amount of $9,580.12. There was statutory interest of $378.52. There should be a proposed judgment with the motion for summary packet. It may be at the bottom of the packet.
I see. Yeah, I've got it. Response, Mr. Ball, and you understand payment is a different issue than judgment. Do you understand that?
No, ma'am, I do not. Can you explain it to me by any chance?
They're asking that as a matter of law that this judgment be entered, but them getting payment, you can work a payment plan out, or you can go from there. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Is there anything that you want to say in response to their motion for summary?
The only thing I was really concerned about was the thing that I got served some papers, but I was making payments, and I have proof that that the payments that they even talking about doesn't even match up with anything like what they're suing me for is $5,000. $873, but I was still making payments on my loans, and I have the paperwork directly from Parkside Credit Union.
So what we're gonna do is, if I issue this motion for summary today, if there are payments that you made that are not accounted for in their account statement, then we can circle back around and have that conversation and credit your account for those payments. Do you
Okay.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And you can work with them. If they don't work it out, then I'll work it out for you. For the moment, I am going to grant the motion for summary disposition. Ms. Butler, do you want me to put you in a breakout room with him to see if you can work out some type of payment?
Yes, Your Honor, I want to give him my contact info because when I spoke to my client as of yesterday, they didn't have any recent payments. So that's definitely something I'd like to talk more with him about.
All right, Mr. Dante, I'm going to stick you guys both in a breakout room. All you got to do is hit join, and then you can talk about that, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. You have a nice day.
You too.